Hello everyone, today is Sunday, September 19, 2021. It is 5:09 p.m. Central Time. And as you know, or you might know, Apple shut down the ICC perfect locking server. Unfortunately, we're not able to use the smart card anymore at this point. But with that being said, it has been a really long weekend and really stressful. Talking to the engineers from Gevey Pro, MKSD4, and GN Sims, trying to figure it out. And hopefully, well, Apple is releasing the new iOS 15 official release to everyone tomorrow. So let's cross fingers for the smart card not to be blocked forever. But as of today's date, since Friday night, almost midnight, Friday midnight, September the 17th, Apple blocked every ICCID. So there's no more ICCIDs on the market. There's no way you can get a new ICCID for unlocking purposes. So you're not able to find any ICCID active on the web. You can find some, but they're no longer working. Every single one is blocked. Without being said, let's go to our test number 3. We have test number 1, Gevey Pro with the AT&T SIM card. It's still working, it's still active, no problems. We did it last night at test number 3 with the MKSD4. Mode ICCID, I think it was the mode, it was ICCID MNC, ICCID MNC manual. That's still working, that's still good. And once again, our best friend for the long term, unless we receive other news on with the next couple of weeks, Gevey Pro is gonna be our friend. I've been going through all these Gevey Pros, so I already break them, and I've been doing a lot of tests, but hopefully this one, and it's been working for the past almost 12 hours. It's been no problems, working perfectly, full signal, data, texting, MMS, the whole enchilada, just like the smart card, Gevey Pro. And this is the new Gevey Pro version 14.2 5G for iOS 14.8 and 15. This is the new Gevey Pro. Well, this is one of that I've been doing tests, but this is the ones are new, one piece. But the one I'll be using in my tests, I don't want to waste more Gevey Pros because I know they can be very expensive. And as you can see, I got my AT&T SIM cards because I did a test, like I said, with AT&T SIM cards. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please go and see my video from yesterday, yesterday's date, about the new method using a AT&T SIM card and a Gevey Pro. Okay, so this is gonna be fresh. You might know, some of you might know this method. It is Gevey Pro. It has to be on the new version 14.2 5G mode, and your phone has to be in the latest iOS. In this case, 14.8 or 15 beta. I cannot stress enough. I've been receiving text messages saying this one is not working. That's the first question I'm going to ask you. Did you connect it to Wi-Fi? Did you update it? No. Okay, that's the problem, and that's a different story. But please, for now on, update first. And with this new method, it is the same as this smart card. Okay, let's begin. I was able to find another carrier. This is from Verizon. It is US Mobile. It has two options. US Mobile. One is a CDMA, Verizon, and GSM T-Mobile. And I'm choosing Verizon because, well, Verizon is no longer a CDMA, it's a GN. So This is the difference between, they sell these little packets like this. This one is for GSM and the black one is for Verizon. And I'm sorry, white one, it is for Sprint. I'm sorry, from T-Mobile network. Black one is for Verizon network. Same company, two different networks, okay? 100% T-Mobile, 100% Verizon. And I choose Verizon because T-Mobile, you can get T-Mobile anywhere prepaid, but Verizon sometimes can be a little expensive. But this one, US Mobile with Verizon network, it works perfectly on 18. I think it's $18 for 5 gigs. But that's not what I'm here for. You can choose whatever network you want. It's up to you. But let's go in. So Gevey Pro, make sure it has to be the latest 14 5G mode. And today I'm going to be using cyber mode. Okay. And this cyber mode is a little bit different. We haven't seen cyber mode since 2019. Yeah, 2019, I think. It's been a long time. Okay, so let's first things first. I plug in my US mobile and of course SIM not supported. Try again. I'm gonna say SIM not supported. So waiting. There you go. So SIM not supported. This is normal. Just hit back. And then this phone, originally it is from Sprint. I don't have any Sprint SIM cards to show you, but I'm gonna use my Gevey Pro. This method is a little bit different than the other one. This one you can use any SIM card. The other one that I was talking of first in the video, it has to be only AT&T. But this one, I think that's gonna be the one that's gonna stay for a long term. So, okay, my Gevey Pro has the same shape. These ones, they're not supposed to be reusable. Trust me, I've been going through a lot of them. It's not fun. They're very fragile. So please don't think this is a reusable ones. If you're gonna planning to do this, unlocking a few phones, I recommend you to get at least set of 2. Trust me, this is how many I damaged on doing my tests. So these are not supposed to be for reuse or reusables like the smart card, because this is a regular SIM card. It doesn't get damaged. But this one has little chips on the bottom of these 6 pins. If you damage any of these 6 pins or any of this on top, guess what? It's not gonna work. Okay, and it's really, you can see if you damage it, you can see right away they have so many circuits over here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but you have to be very gentle, and these are not supposed to be reusable. Okay, so look at how many I damaged already. I got 1, 2, here I got 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost 9. And I got more over there, but everything to, we need to keep moving. But just FYI, okay, don't think these are reusable, because they're not. They're fragile, and if you can get, if it gets a little tiny scratch or damage on these pins, this is gonna be useless. Okay, and please be careful with it. Okay, so let's do it again. Okay, has the same shape of my SIM tray. I'm gonna put my Gevey in. And I already configured to the latest ICCID that is on my website. You can go to my website and see it. Unfortunately, like I said, I cannot provide any other ICCIDs due to they're not able to, create new ones like before. Whatever is out there and it's working. So we put in the Gevey in, and because my Gevey is already configured and I already use this SIM card, let's do a new one, because I want you to see the whole thing. So I want to take this out because I've been using this a lot. Let's start fresh. Okay, because as you can see, they don't bring it didn't pop up the menu. And that's the most important thing. Sorry for the lights, guys. Improvising, working on the weekend. Okay, let's do a brand new Gevey Pro 5G mode. This one I haven't configured, so I don't know which ICCID is gonna be in. We're gonna find out. So I'm just gonna put the same on your SIM tray, just like that. Just be careful with it. Like I said, this is very fragile. I'm gonna put it in, and then let me go to my website, and because I don't know the ICCID by heart. Okay, so the same ending 0651, and please disregard the message that I got on the website. That was for the first test. I need to go and update my website, but I don't have time to do customer service website and do tests. I've been focusing on doing tests and new methods. So even though we don't work on the weekends, we are here, because the show must continue. Okay, so there you go. So I'm gonna put in my SIM card with a new Gevey. And we need to see the Gevey menu. It needs to come out. There you go. This is the Gevey menu. And we're gonna need this. Do you see saver mode? Choose saver mode. And we're gonna choose, let's choose saver. Let's choose Cyber Manual 1. Okay, this is the oldest ICCIDs that were active. You'll see the difference on the numbers, they're not the same. Let me just put it in, okay? Give me 1 second. So we said it's 8901, 103, 2704. 600, 651. Okay, that's the last four. 0651. Okay, and because we select the saver mode manual 1, we're gonna hit send. Okay, and accept. And we just need to wait for the activation. And I'm sorry that my videos are taking longer, but I'm doing tests. Like, hopefully by tomorrow everything should be fine. There you go, guys. iPhone unlock owner, just like the same that we got from the smart card. We're gonna choose passcode, to the 3 times. Make sure you close everything that you got open. Let's go to cellular. And it's still reading the signal. I don't know why it's saying AT&T, but it doesn't matter. There you go. Now let's go general, about. No SIM restrictions. And it's an iPhone XR, iOS 15. No SIM restrictions. And if you're gonna make sure, I can take this out. Be careful, be gentle, okay? Now I can put my little US mobile. Let me close everything. Turn off the Wi-Fi. US Mobile LTE.
Hi, thanks for calling US Mobile. We're looking forward to helping you and will give you our full attention.
There you go, guys. Gevey Pro Cyber Mode. It is working. Okay. So we're just waiting for the engineers to let us know what's going on, with what's going to happen with the smart card. But for now, we have this new method. There you go, guys. Like I said, please be careful. These are not supposed to be reusables like the other ones. So be gentle. If you damage it, it will stop working. Also, if you need the menu to pop out again, let me show you. I forgot to show you. If you need the menu for whatever reason, I think this is supposed to be active. Let me show you, but let's find out. Put in the same SIM card. And of course, because we already configured the Gevey with the same SIM card, it won't pop out anything. Okay, but if you need the menu to come back again, just like your phone, swipe up. Well, because I don't have a passcode on the phone, so the next option should be for you to swipe up. In emergency, you hit emergency and hit pound dial. In my case, I'm just gonna go to the dialer. No, still not working. Well, that was an option before. But if you need the Gevey menu, this is the other option. Take it out very carefully. And I have an H2O SIM card. Remember, I'm doing this just to bring the menu. There you go. This is how you bring the menu if you need it for whatever reason. So I'm gonna cancel and the menu will pop out again. So that's how you're gonna bring the menu if you need it for whatever reason and you missed the time and it went away and there's no way for you to get it. Really simple. Just grab another SIM card and the menu will pop out again. Do your configuration, all the steps that we did prior to this, and then just your phone will be ready to go. Okay? Well, bye guys.